again. What is up, guys? Been jamming outdoors. So today I'm going to north of Miami to do some search and recoveries. There's a guy that lost his Mavic 2 Pro again, and then I might do some just for fun dives at some random bridges, try to find some murder weapons and stuff like that. So y'all stay tuned, enjoy the video. So there was a guy that was flying his drone and ended up just something happened and the drone fell into the water. It's a Mavic Pro 2, and so I'm going to search this area pretty good and see if I can find it. Not very good visibility, it drops off a lot, so we'll see what we can do. I don't mess around.
No, man.
That guy sucks.
Yo, I gotta take a picture of this. Wait, what the man? Like, come on, oh my God.
We just found the Mavic Pro 2.
Listen, man, thank you, okay? This is the second guy I hired. The first one didn't do that much. He just went in there, what, like an hour? Didn't get it, but literally took less than 2 minutes. He got my Mavic Pro, okay? Hey, get at him, okay? Get at him. Yeah.
As y'all saw, I literally just walked in there, like less than 15 seconds, fell on the ground, looked to the right and saw it, so.
All about technique, okay? All about technique. That's all it is.
I'll see y'all later.